Struggling with Internet Explorer on Windows 7? Let's fix that in a snap. First up, reset Internet Explorer settings. Open Internet Explorer, head to Tools, then Internet Options. Select the Advanced tab and hit Reset. Confirm and choose Delete Personal Settings if you want to clear your history. Click Close, then OK. Next, update Windows and Internet Explorer. Check for updates in Control Panel under Windows Update. Make sure you have the latest version of Internet Explorer. Now let's disable problematic add-ons. Go to Tools, Manage Add-ons, and disable any suspicious ones. Running a Windows troubleshooter can help too. In Control Panel, go to Troubleshooting and select Internet Explorer. Follow the prompts to fix any issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies by going to Tools, Internet Options, General, then Browsing History, and click Delete. If all else fails, consider reinstalling Internet Explorer or switching to a different browser like Chrome or Firefox. And that's it. Troubleshoot your Internet Explorer issues easily and get back to browsing.